This is to remove and install E-Class Mercedes-Benz automatic control valve. This is the one right here. It's on the driver's side front. You have to remove the wheel, pull it up, and drop it underneath. Okay, make sure the car, at least you have to use a stand or lift to pull it up. Make sure there's no pressure on it. And anyway, you gotta unplug the battery, all right, negative side of the wire. And to remove that, that's a 2-wire connect to it, unclip it, pull it out, and there are two 10-millimeter bolts on the side of this bracket, okay? Just loosen it, don't take it out yet, because you want to remove the hoses first. This one, this one is going to the air compressor, all right? It's right there. And this is, I believe this one is go to the reservoir in the back. And this is go to the rear suspension. This is the driver, green one is the driver's side, air suspension, front one. The yellow one should be the other side, the right side, okay? That's, I already unhooked this. And the parts number for this car is 211-320-0158, all right? From this old one, it's supposed to be right here. You can see the part number, yeah. A211-320-0158, yes, this is the part. And I already loosened it, the bolt, so 10-millimeter. Just loosen it, it will come right off. And to install, yep, it's come off. And this is 2 bolts. In the back of it is for the bracket right here, 10-millimeter. This is the toys you gotta use. This is not good enough. This is the best, all right? This, to lose the bolt, 10-millimeter on each air hose, and from the side here, that's 10-millimeter. Nice and easy. This is the best. The stubby one, all right, the short one, real tiny, 10-millimeter, all right. And then this, we're gonna unclip it, all right, and put a new one. There's a new one right here on that, and install it. Then, if you have the stock computer, you can pump the air from there. Otherwise, you drop it, your air compressor will start pumping, all right? But you still want to, if you have the computer or Launch 435, all those high-end scanners, they can pump the air, all right? Or the computer of the ECU unit to pump the air into the air suspension units. All right, that's how you do it. All right, let me finish that to install it back on. All right, thank you for watching.